Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix the issue where the safely remove hardware icon is missing from the taskbar in Windows 11. This is the icon you usually click when you want to safely eject a USB flash drive or external hard drive. When it disappears, it can be a little annoying, but don't worry, there are a few quick ways to get it back. Let's start with the easiest solution. First, click on the little up arrow in the bottom right corner of your screen. In the system tray, sometimes the icon is just hidden there. If you see it, you can drag it from the hidden icon section and drop it back onto the taskbar. That way it will always be visible. If it's not there, the next step is to make sure it's enabled in the system tray settings. Right-click on the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. Then scroll down to Notification Area and click on Select which icons appear on the taskbar. Now scroll through the list and look for something called Windows Explorer Safely Remove Hardware and Eject Media. Make sure the switch is turned on. If that still doesn't fix it, let's try restarting Windows Explorer. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer in the list. Right-click it and choose Restart. This refreshes the interface and often brings missing icons back. Still missing? In that case, it might be a system glitch or the device driver itself. Try unplugging your USB device, then plug it back in and wait a few seconds. Windows may retrigger the icon to appear. And remember, if nothing else works, you can always safely remove a USB device by opening File Explorer. Right-click in the drive and choosing Eject. It's not as quick, but it works just as well. If it did, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and feel free to drop a comment below if you have any other Windows questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.